It was an ordinary night just like this one at 14th in Colorado when Community College of Denver professor Yvonne Frye's life ended instantly. An automobile was traveling east on 14th and crashed at the intersection with Frye's car at approximately 2 a.m. Jose Nevarez Coronado was the driver of that vehicle. He was immediately taken to the Denver Health Medical Center and was later arrested for investigation of vehicular homicide, driving under the influence, and reckless driving. Frye, in her 39 years of teaching, certainly left her mark. Students can write memories or thoughts on a wall in her honor, or in a book in her office. Students have already written many notes. A scholarship and memorial fund has already been established in her honor.
And hopefully that'll stay here for a long time and help a lot of students out in the way that she helps students out.
A friend, colleague, and mother dearly missed. For the Met Report, I'm Anthony Kustura.